Hey, this is Glennie, and I am here hosting Tuesday Newsday again. So I was drawn out of the hat. I'm the lucky person this week.
I feel like we're the lucky ones.
Hey, you're awfully sweet, Hannah. So yeah, it's Tuesday Newsday, and we have a lot of cool things going on this week. Right now, I don't know if you can see how bright and cheerful it is. The weather in Hamilton is definitely not Christmas-like. It's going to be 50 degrees again
Yeah,
today.
it's gonna be so warm. I have heard that these are our last few days of warmth though.
You know, I'm kind of hoping maybe because it just doesn't feel like Christmas when it's 55 degrees outside, right?
Genuinely, it really doesn't. But also, like, I don't know, a warm Christmas wouldn't be the worst thing. But I do love snow. I do love snow.
Yeah, maybe we'll get a white Christmas. I'm not holding out hope. We don't often get one here.
Yeah, we usually get a white January.
And
January, February.
yeah, February, white February, but yeah. So yeah, we're gearing up here in Hamilton. Everything looks gorgeous. We have our gorgeous Christmas tree up, all of the lights. It is so pretty here
It's
this
so
time of
pretty.
year. So loving that right now.
Yes. And we have a triple play this week.
Oh, it's a good one. It is
Yeah.
definitely a good one.
It's super cute.
Yeah, it's all based on the Pixie Sticks block. You know, three brand new ways of using that. Jenny, Natalie, and Misty all have their own take on it, like all triple plays. So you don't want to miss this one. It's going to be really fun.
Yeah. I can't get over it. I'm so excited for Christmas. Do you have any plans? Actually, first off, hold on. It's Christmas next week.
Yeah,
It is Christmas next week. Can you believe that?
it has snuck up on me, even though I'm a planner. People who know me know I'm a planner, and I put things away like all through this, in the
Yeah.
start in the summer for everybody. But wow, it has really snuck up on me this year.
Yeah, I am not prepared for Christmas at all. It's my sister and I, Mom, if you're watching this, no, you're not. My sister and I are planning on going in together to get her a Christmas gift because it's been a hard year for both of us. So we're like, all right, let's do this together.
That's right, and moms love whatever you get.
Yes, hopefully. I think she'll like this one. I won't say it just in case she might be watching.
That's
but-
right. That's right.
But yeah,
I won't tell.
Thank you. Do you have any like favorite Christmas, New Year's Eve traditions that you're planning on doing this year?
Yeah, our family, we always do traditional food for Thanksgiving, right? But Christmas, we can do anything we want. So one year we did like breakfast,
Oh,
like
fun.
yeah, all the breakfast foods, and then sometimes we do nothing but hors d'oeuvres and or just any kind of theme. And so this year we're doing soups and finger foods.
Oh,
So,
awesome.
yeah.
I love that. That reminds me of the themes that we do for Halloween because we kind of do like traditional like Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's Eve stuff. We
Yeah.
also have like a big smorgasbord because we're very Swedish. I actually remember dancing in circle, like we would play Swedish songs and dance in circles, and we haven't really done that since my great grandma passed, but
Right.
it was always like, it's just a fun memory, and I miss doing that because it was a good time.
Yeah.
I am so looking forward to this holiday. What is something that you're like the most excited about?
Oh, it was always the kids when they were younger opening their presents, and now it's the grandkids. So all the excitement, and you can always tell the older ones from the younger ones and how quickly they unwrap the package, right?
Yes.
And so that's always so much fun, and playing everything. And our family likes to play games. So
Yeah.
we have some new games that we're going to play this year.
Oh, fun.
Yeah, one is called Pass the Pig. I haven't
Okay.
played that one yet, so that's gonna be. But we always play things like Yahtzee, and it's a good time. So
Yeah, that's gonna be awesome. So, speaking of Christmas, do you have any handmade gifts that you have made?
well, I'm like everybody else. You get started on projects, and then you get sidetracked.
Oh, yes. Yes.
So I am working on a couple of things right now. I'm hopeful. I'm probably like everybody watching, you have some things for Christmas that you want to get finished and you're just crossing your fingers that you can get them all done on time.
Yes.
I can't tell you what I'm working on because my kids are probably going to watch this and they're a little nosy. So just like with your mom, you can't say what you're doing, right?
Yeah. Not like we can be a little vague, but not too clear on the details.
I think my kids know it's probably crochet.
Oh. Man, I love crochet.
Mm-hmm.
Are you working on anything currently?
I have something planned. You know, you always have whips, right?
Mm-hmm.
You always have something that you've started and you haven't finished.
Yes.
So that's kind of a New Year's resolution is to
Okay.
finish some of those things. But I think that's for everybody, right?
Yeah.
But I do have a plan for after Christmas. I'm going to make myself something. I have a really pretty pattern for a cardigan that I want to whip up. So
That's gonna be awesome.
yeah, that'll be fun.
Are you doing that in a crochet? Or are you sewing that? Okay.
In crochet.
Yeah, that's awesome.
I already have the yarn. I already have the pattern. But it's like, let's wait till after Christmas. You know how it's that shiny new thing syndrome. I really want to get started on it, but I have to finish my Christmas first.
Yes, no, that's so fair. I just recently started picking up crochet, and I went in way over my head and kind of ruined it for myself a little bit.
Oh, you come over here anytime, and we will get your Crojo back.
Oh, thank you. I might take you up on that for sure. Actually,
Yeah, we should.
So 2025 is right around the corner. And I was wondering what you are most excited about. Is there anything in town that like excites you the most that you can give us a little sneak peek in?
Well, I'm really looking forward to all the new projects that Natalie and Misty are putting together for 2025. I get to hear about some of them a little bit early because of the filming schedules and things. So they have so many great ideas. I am really looking forward to all the new things that they're going to do and the new products that our product team is bringing in. The sneak peeks that I get. I am so excited for one of them, and I can't even tell you what it is, but I'm so excited to see it when it's here. And I'm kind of personally, I'm a planner nerd, so probably 2 months ago, I already bought my planners, my paper planners for 2025. So,
oh my gosh.
I know. So
no, I love that. I do the same thing, but it's so bad because I'll go out, I'll buy a new journal, I'll buy a new planner, and I'll use it for a while, and then I'll forget I have it and be like, man, I need a planner and a journal, and I'll go buy another one, and it's already halfway through the year.
It's just like everything else. They make it so easy for us to want all these pretty new things, right?
Well, and they're always so cute, and there's always cuter ones later too. So
That's
it's
right.
just like, what do I even do?
That's
just
right.
Take all my money. Take it. Give me all the cute planners.
That's right.
So I do have a question for you.
Okay.
Are you part of the Doan family? Are you a daughter-in-law, a cousin?
You know, I am a part of the Doan family in spirit only. You know, no, I am not related to any of the Doans, although I think it would be cool if I was.
Yes.
But yeah, no, I've just been working here a little over 7 years.
Oh, wow.
So
okay.
it kind of feels like family, right?
Yeah, yeah. Well, you're definitely part of the family. I would like to say.
Thank you very much, Hannah.
Yes. Well, I think that's about it for today's Tuesday Newsday.
Yeah, yeah.
And we will see you guys again next year.
That's
for
right.
More Tuesday Newsday.
That's right. See you next year.
All right.